Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We got a red hot Camaro Rally Sport convertible for you. It's got a big block, it's got a 4-speed, Deluxe interior, is full of options, and it just finished a rotisserie restoration. This one is nice, let me tell you. Go to volocars.com, you can study over 100 pictures, you can read the description, and that's where you'll find the prices on all of the collector cars that we have for sale. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you click on that bell icon, you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, that top is down. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, this thing's really exceptional. This is a sweetheart. It was put on a rotisserie. It means just that. It's a big rotisserie. You can flip the car on the side, and it's just taken down to a bare body at that point. So the entire underneath of the car was dropped out, all the suspension, and all of it was completely restored before it was put back together. Under the car, it literally looks new. The nuts, bolts, clamps, everything looks new. So the whole front end, the steering and suspension, literally looks new. The center links, the ball joints, the bushings, the shocks, the springs, all of it looks brand new. The rear suspension's redone, the springs, bushings, shocks. The whole bottom of the car is just smooth, clean metal with a nice semi-gloss black finish. You look up at the motor, it's spotless. The Muncie 4-speed transmission is immaculate. The Hurst shift linkage looks new. It's got a 12-bolt rear end with posi gears. New dual exhaust going all the way up the back. New fuel system. It's a polished stainless tank. It's actually shiny. New straps, new sending unit, new fuel line. The brake system's been completely restored. Emergency brakes hooked up. It has disc in front. So the bottom of this car looks like a brand new car when you peek under there. We have pictures on our website. The body is amazing. The tag is on the firewall. It was born a red car, and this is a slick red paint. They've added a cowl induction hood to it. It does have the Rally Sport. It is a real Rally Sport, by the way, and I'll demonstrate that in a little bit. But the gaps, precise gaps on this car. Look at how it fits, and it's flush. Part of the Rally Sport package was this wide, shiny molding along the bottom, and it looks brand new. It probably is brand new. But again, the gaps, and it is straight. There's not a ripple in this body anywhere. Beautiful. No cracks where they typically crack here. No bubbles. This is all really nice. The paint is just a slick red glossy finish. Got spoilers. This chrome is sparkling. Got bumper guards. The Rally Sport doesn't have the reverse lights up here. They're relocated down there. And again, all of this is new. The gas cap, the rubber strips, and it's sparkling. It's just exceptionally nice. It has a new white convertible top. These boots are kind of a pain. You got to kind of pull on them to get them to latch all the way. Rally wheels, brand new out of the box. The chrome is sparkling. New BF Goodrich tires. All of this trim. The fuzzy seals, handles, locks, mirrors, even the pillar, or I should say the vent window frame, all of this. The rubber seal, all been replaced. This is all replaced in shiny. The wiper arms are shiny. Windshield's crystal clear. New emblems. Bumper, grill, license plate bracket, all of that looks new as well. So under the hood, we got a 1971 396 motor. Motor runs beautifully. I'll start it in a minute. It has an MSD ignition system. Has ceramic coated long tube headers, chrome valve covers and air cleaner. Features include power brakes. That whole system looks new. Power steering. It's got a new alternator, new fuel pump. All new hoses, shroud, radiator, new fan. Everything's painted up real nicely. The interior is exceptional. I love it when you get in an interior and the seats feel like new. So it has all new cushions, red Deluxe interior. It's got the Deluxe upholstery with the white stripe. It has the molded door panels. All of that is new. Trunk compartment, rock solid clean metal. They sprayed it with the spatter finish, and then they went over it with a really nice thick clear coat. It's actually shiny. I thought it was wet. I was going to get a rag and dry it out, but it's all shiny and durable. New latch assembly, new taillight housing. Looks like it's new wiring, new well liner, new weather strip. The red paint is done real nice and slick. Inside has all new Reproduction seat belts front and back. The carpet's replaced, Reproduction floor mats. The whole center console's new. The bezels, the chrome, has the gauge clusters sitting there on the console. A Hurst shifter, tachometer in the dash. Tilt wheel with the Deluxe wood grain wheel. All the metal inside the car is painted slick. I mean, really, inside, every little nook and cranny you can look at inside, it's new and sparkling. The window cranks are new. The kick panels, the screws on the kick panels are shiny. The levers in the kick panels, the seat back, the knob on the seat back. Door jambs are slick. Weather strips, sill plates, that's all been replaced. New visors, new mirror. Has a retro stereo. Interior lights work. I was looking up under the dash, everything looks new, and it has a collapsible steering column. I don't know when that came out. I don't think those were out in '67, so someone might have added that. That's just safety. If you get in an accident, it collapses. The heater control panel's new. Said it just runs beautifully. These chrome pillars, the knobs. I don't know what it is, but the chrome is like extra shiny. The door handles, it's all like sparkly. The seat cushions feel nice. So this car is really exceptional. The detail, better than most. It's a Georgia car. To demonstrate those headlights. Whoop, demonstrate the wipers too. It's dialed in. So there you have it. You probably don't have to rush to the website. Probably not too many people looking for a bright red Camaro convertible with a big block and a 4-speed that's been rotisserie restored. But if you don't want to take that chance, I suggest you do go to Volo Cars ASAP. I just gave you my impression of this car. Plenty of ways on there to contact the salesman. They will answer the questions and concerns you might have the best they can. They can get this delivered to any driveway in the country. They can help you with financing. That's all at volocars.com. If you just like watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.